Let me show you how to insert and use a memory card on your dashcam. So if you have a dashcam that looks like this, so you see on this side over here we have a slot for memory card which is marked as TF, and these dashcams uses these tiniest micro SD memory cards. So this is what, for example, mine look like. Also, basically most of these dashcams actually require fairly good speed for the memory card. So you see on the memory card, basically you have a bunch of ratings here, and you see mine is U3, so that means it's actually fairly good speed. So again, make sure you see at least U1, but on some dashcams you might even need like bit better ones, such as I have here over here. So then to insert it, so simply position like this. So we have these contacts over here, and then simply slide inside, and next I'm going to take basically my fingernail actually, and literally push it inside, and you should hear a click. So again, there has to be a clicking sound. Okay, let's power it on. And also, before you can actually use a memory card, you actually have to format it basically using the dashcam itself. So if you insert it and nothing happens, or it's not recording, that means simply we need to format it to be able to use it with the dashcam. On this dashcam, I'm simply going to press and hold my M button, so the menu button, hold it for a few seconds, and you'll see a menu like this pops up. So you can either use these plus and minus or next to previous buttons to cycle between the menus. But on this one we actually have to again press the M once more to navigate to the settings menu. So let me zoom in basically. So next I'm going to use these buttons over here to cycle over here. Okay, format. So I think next accept with the power button. So yep, again cycle to OK, and again accept with the power button. So, and then simply wait, your memory card will get formatted essentially. Okay, yep, and it's done essentially. So once we go back again, so to start recording, you can simply press this button, or basically as soon as it turns on, it also should start to record. So you see I have the timer running and have this like red icon here, that means it's recording. Also I can stop the recording here as well, and also if I now I think press M button several times, you see I can also like literally see recording here. So yep, okay, so works great. And then if you want basically retrieve your footage again, what we have to do is we simply have to take out this memory card and simply insert it in our PC or laptop. If you do not have a memory card slot basically on your computer where you can insert directly, you can simply use one of these adapters. For example, as see, I can either connect it to my phone or also a computer. So again, these things cost like literally like $1 or $2. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get one of these. So you see, you simply insert it inside, and once you plug it in your PC, it will basically get found as a storage, and you will have all your files over there. Anyway, good luck.